Okay, now let us look into question number 14. Chemically mustard oil is. So this reaction clearly indicates that it is based on Hoffman's mustard oil reaction. So let us see what is the chemical composition of mustard oil. Option A, is it alkyl thiocyanate? Option B, is it alkyl isothiocyanate? Option C, alkyl cyanide. Option D, alkyl isocyanide. These two options can be removed as well, because in a mustard oil reaction there is involvement of sulfur. So if sulfur is there, then we definitely will use this term thio. Wherever we use this term thio, dear students, please understand we are talking about the presence of sulfur. So now 50-50 options only we are having. Alkyl cyanide and alkyl isocyanide can be just left as it is. So our focus point is between alkyl isothiocyanate or alkyl isothiocyanate or thiocyanate. Only two options. So let us see how this reaction goes by. Primary amine reacts with carbon disulfide CS2. How will this CS2 be? Let me just expand and write the CS2. Carbon will be linked with 2 sulfur by means of double covalent bond. Now, what's the first product we are going to get? This hydrogen, this nitrogen-hydrogen bond cleaves, and this will take an attachment with sulfur. So we are going to get R, N, H, this H linked, and in this place it is linked with C, then the C is linked with sulfur, then one by double bond, one more sulfur with single bond and SH. So that means these two bonds here will cleave and the electron cloud shifts here. Because this cleaves, this will come out as a proton H plus, and there is a negative charge here, so they will get attracted, and therefore this is the product we are going to get. This is called dithio, because we find presence of 2 sulfur. So dithio, otherwise it is called carbamic acid. Carbamic acid. This is the first product we are going to get. This is further treated with HgCl2, mercurous chloride. Now what happens? Hg, that is mercury, combines with this sulfur, goes out as mercurous sulfide. Then H, two of them, this H and this H, will combine with these two Cl, goes out as HCl. So then what's the product we are going to left with? R is linked with N here, and this bond is cleaved. So these two will be getting linked by double bond. Then C with this S with double bond, along with Hg S plus HCl. So how many HCl we get? 2 HCl. So what is this product going to be? R is alkyl, then it is linked with nitrogen, not with sulfur, so N-alkyl isothiocyanate. If it would have been linked with sulfur, this sulfur, then the product will be alkyl thiocyanate, because the linkage with the alkyl group is from the nitrogen, so therefore we call this as alkyl isothiocyanate. You can practice this reaction by replacing R with any alkyl group, ethyl, methyl, all of that, any of the alkyl group you can use and then replace. So what is the correct option here? Alkyl thiocyanate or alkyl isothiocyanate? It is alkyl isothiocyanate. This is our correct answer. So option B is the correct option for this particular question. Chemically, mustard oil is alkyl isothiocyanate. This question is from the concept of Hoffman's mustard oil reaction, which happens to be one of the important reactions for entrance exam.